Shoulder breathing. Find a quiet place to stand or sit. Make your back nice and tall. Take a deep breath in through your nose and relax your entire body. Now roll your shoulders up to your ears as you inhale through your nose for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out through your mouth and roll your shoulders down and back, as far away from your ears as you can get, as you exhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in through your nose as you roll your shoulders up. 1, 2, 3. And breathe out as you roll your shoulders down and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. This last time, challenge yourself to make it all the way to 5. Breathe in while you roll your shoulders up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your mind is ready for learning.